Hot temperatures slowly climbing through the weekend today in the low 70s. Tomorrow, we're talking some 80s across the area with brisk winds. Maybe a few spotty storm chances, a very summer-like pattern as we go later in the week, but we will focus on especially the second half of the weekend as some of those rain opportunities look to be increasing as of now. Live look at Gatlinburg, Ripley's Aquarium above the Smokies, all dry, all quiet, just a little bit of cloud cover, but mild. 61 there, that's a pretty popular temperature. Newport, Dandridge, Greenville, Knoxville, all the way to Loudon, Pikeville, and the Plateau and Crossville. So pretty uniform temperatures, and we're not going to change much from where we are. Upper 50s is about the best we're going to be able to do. So another 2 to 4 degrees. Most areas will drop, and then a quick warm up throughout the day Tuesday. Talked about it being about almost 10 degrees warmer on our Tuesday for many compared to what we saw today. We'll see a little more sunshine and a brisk southwest wind, so upper 70s, low 80s, pretty common. Mild start Wednesday morning. It'll be similar to what we have right now with low 60s, and then we're right back in the low 80s by the time we get to Wednesday afternoon. Again, limited rain chances for tomorrow. I think majority of us will stay dry, and very limited on Wednesday as well. A little bit more cloud cover, but this is a summer-like pattern. What I mean by that is we get to the peak heating times of the day between about 2 and say 5 p.m. There'll be a pop-up shower or rumble of thunder, especially over the mountains and back across the plateau. And then as we get closer to and then beyond sunset, these opportunities will fade away and it's much quieter through the overnight hours. And I think even as this goes through the second half of the week, Thursday, Friday, even Saturday, rain chances look very limited. Again, more so for some of the higher elevation areas like the mountains and the plateau. But it does look like as we get later into the weekend, including Easter Sunday, we can see those rain chances go up. Now, the reason why we're staying warm and dry, we have this big dome of high pressure. We call it a Bermuda high because it's close to the island of Bermuda, but it's also pulling up some warm, humid air into our area and blocking storm systems from moving in our direction. So we'll kind of hold on to this pattern as we go through late in the week. This is Friday. We're still mainly rain-free here, but eventually that high weakens enough to allow this cold front to push in from the west, and our rain chances go up later in the weekend. So this is late Saturday. So we start Easter morning, sunrise 7:17 in Knoxville. Low chance of rain here, medium chance on the plateau, and for now we're thinking a little drier to the east. This is just sunrise. Shortly thereafter, those rain opportunities will go up, especially as we approach midday. I think temperatures are going to drop a bit. We'll start in the mid to upper 60s in the morning on our Sunday and kind of level out in the low 60s as we go through the day. Monday does look drier and a little cooler. Highs will be in the mid 60s, but if you look at the bottom of the screen, that's closer to average this time of year.
Sounds good, Ken. Thank you. Sports Director Sam Granville joins